The free student bus pass plus Metrobus allows you to travel to your favorite destinations every day of the year for free. However, freedom comes with responsibility. It appears that some students are not following the terms and conditions they and their parents signed and agreed to when they received their free student bus pass plus Metrobus. Unfortunately, if students don't follow the rules they agreed to, the program could be modified or discontinued due to rising costs of trips taken to DC and Maryland. If you want to keep your student pass program, we need all students, as well as parents and guardians, to ensure that they abide by the following rules, which are: 1. It is mandatory to always tap your card on the fare box of the bus. If your card does not work for some reason, you will no longer be able to show your pass and board the bus. We suggest that you have a backup Smart Trip card, just in case your student pass does not work. If your pass stops working, please go to Student Services or the office that issued your card to get a replacement. 2. Board only allowed Metrobus routes. The following are the allowed routes. 3. Students are not permitted to leave the Commonwealth of Virginia using any free student bus pass plus Metrobus. If you choose to travel to DC or Maryland, you must use a personal Smart Trip card. 4. Please be aware that all student passes may be monitored. As of March 1st, 2024, Fairfax Connector is imposing a zero-tolerance policy for travel on Metrobus routes outside of Virginia. If you use your Student Pass Plus Metrobus card to travel to DC or Maryland, your card will be deactivated for improper use and will not be replaced. Again, a flashed pass will no longer allow you to board the Metrobus. Your card must be tapped and be accepted to board. Improper use of the pass will result in loss of access to the program. We want you to keep your student pass and use it to get where you need to go. Please use your free student bus pass responsibly.